So, you got your shiny new Chime card in the mail. It's sleek, it's promising, but there's just one tiny, burning question. Can you actually activate it online? I mean, it's 2023, right? Everything's digital. But is Chime one of those old-school banks that makes you jump through hoops? Let's dive in and find out together. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of online activation, let's quickly talk about what a Chime card actually is. For those of you who are new to the Chime world, it's a debit card linked to your Chime spending account. No hidden fees, no minimum balance, just a simple way to manage your money. But can you make it work without leaving your couch? The big question, can you activate online? Drumroll, please. The answer is, drumroll intensifies, mostly yes. Chime does offer online activation. You can typically do it right from your Chime app. It's pretty straightforward, actually. You'll just need to have your card handy and follow the on-screen instructions. Step-by-step guide. Let's break it down step by step. Open the Chime app. Make sure you've downloaded the Chime app and logged in. Look for the activation option. Usually, there's a section for adding or activating cards. Tap on that. Enter card details. You'll likely need to enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Follow on-screen instructions. Chime will guide you through the rest of the process. It might involve creating a PIN or confirming your identity. Troubleshooting tips. Okay, so what if you're running into issues? Maybe the app is being stubborn, or you're getting an error message. Don't panic. Here are a few things you can try. Check your internet connection. A weak signal can cause all sorts of problems. Update the Chime app. Make sure you're using the latest version. Try again later. Sometimes, technical glitches happen. Give it another shot in a few minutes. Contact Chime support. If nothing else works, reach out to Chime's customer support. They're usually pretty helpful. Alternative activation methods. While online activation is the preferred method, there are a few other ways to get your Chime card up and running. ATM activation. Some ATMs allow you to activate your card. You'll need to follow the prompts on the screen. Phone activation. In some cases, you might be able to activate your card by calling Chime's customer support. Security tips. Before we wrap up, let's talk about security. Activating your card online is generally safe, but there are a few things you can do to protect yourself. Strong password. Make sure you're using a strong password for your Chime account. Watch for phishing attempts. Be wary of emails or texts asking for your card information. Chime will never ask for this information through these channels. Monitor your account. Regularly check your account for any suspicious activity. So, there you have it. Activating your Chime card online is usually a breeze. But if you run into any trouble, don't stress. There are other options available. Remember, your financial security is important, so always be cautious and protect your information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.